Hey guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Sure, it depends on the place you're watching me from. On today's video, it's a super special video, guys. I'm shooting this video from my home here. I know it has been a long time since you saw home. I'm eating here some, they are called Sandras or what? So I'm with the kids. Have one, one piece and one piece. Baby Shan and baby Ray. Yeah. So I want to say good morning, good afternoon, good evening. It really depends on the place you're watching me from. Please guys, I urge you to subscribe to this video, to this YouTube channel, and thank you so much for 30,000 subscribers. For 26,000 subscribers, we are literally coming there. We are about like with 4,000 to reach 30,000, and of course that's what we are aiming. You know, for now that's what we are aiming. So please guys, show some love by showing love by subscribing and sharing some love. So today, guys, it's another great day. I thank Almighty God for the amazing life that we are in and for the amazing time that it is over here. So today I want to come from this place. I'm traveling from the village. I'm finally leaving the village. I want to travel all the way to Tenwick again to grow. There's some people that I'm going to pick there, friends, brothers, and of course we say people who work together. So it's good news to me and also to the world and also to them, because now it has been determined what has been disturbing our friend or brother, and yeah, that has been at least now we know what's going on around. So thank you so much for those who prayed, for those who supported, for those who said yeah, this is going to be okay. So this time it will be amazing. I'll be giving you some spectacular views all the way from home here, all the time to Bomet. So I don't know if I have revealed the time, but it's okay guys. Let's move on, see what's going on around. Subscribing if you are new. We're going to use our car over here. For now, this is how you see our beautiful home. Then also we can come back, resume back to what we call like to construct our store and do what's happening all around. Because the other day I went with the fundis, all the mason, they call him the mason, and we did some thorough measurements, and we determined where our store can be. Actually it's a 2-room, one room to be a store and another one for a person who will be watching there. Or sometimes I'll be there because I'm really planning to vacate from this place, because this is my parents' home. I'll be coming to just greet them and say hello, and just like that guys, and so that I can also conquer my own place. I can start my own projects there and do some farming. I can put up the foundation of my retirement home, just like that, pole, because I always believe even the baobab tree started like a pigweed, you know, until it grew until it become a baobab tree. So like me also, I'm just determining myself. I know I'm growing, and it's just simultaneous growth that you go slowly. It's not a rapid growth, but I thank God for each and every day. So without much ado, let me see what's going on around. Have our beautiful dogs through there, and take this. I'll be giving you some spectacular views as we travel along, and that would be the best. How do you call this, guys? It's called ladybird. The ladybird. Ladybird. We have a lot of ladybugs because of the trees around. This one, Sandra. Alright guys, let's go move. So guys, we are leaving home. Okay. Yeah, so pray for me, Johnny Masses. Something that is making noise somewhere, but anyway, pray for your boy Johnny Masses. I want to go first to the petrol station or to the gas station. I want to refill the gas. Again, we proceed with the movement, then we see what's going on around. Yeah, so the village from this side. This is how you see our village looks like. Whoa. way. Hopefully the traffic won't disturb me, because sometimes when they see probox, they really disturb probox more than us. You know? I don't know why. They always disturb probox. They always. They are like, they want to, they pull up. You are being pulled up. Like, oh, you have to put this aside. But it's a beautiful car. I love this car because it's on the it's an all-weather road car, and it's a multi-purpose car. You know, if I wanna travel to maybe to the farm, I'll definitely use this car. If I want to go for what we call like for a trip like this, and it's a car that always, you know, that can pick everyone. It's a business car also, but I'm planning some days when I'll be okay after building, settling. I can have now a 4x4, a pickup double cabin that also will aid to help me maneuver my stuffs. For example, heading to the farm, carrying some fertilizer at the back, something like that, you know. But that will be for retirement. But for now, and some days, all will be well. So from here all the way to Bomet. But for now, let's go for the gas. Add some gas, a little bit. Then we see what's going on around. Today is on a Saturday, so now we can. Now more people going on around. I see you, bro.
Yes, I'm good.
You good? I'm good.
Yeah.
Up to where?
I want to get at the border there.
Okay.
It seems like today you're going to church.
No. I'm just like, that's my normal cladding.
Okay.
I want to head to the petrol station here. I want to fill some gas and then I see where to go.
Okay.
Okay, man.
No
What's
problem.
your good name? Introduce yourself, one.
Oh.
Hey, I'm on the camera.
Yes, guys, there is Emmanuel's farm here. Yes, you can check me out on YouTube.
Okay.
And kindly subscribe to my channel.
All right, man.
Actually, I'm on the road to 5,000 subscribers.
Wow.
So your subscription will help me a lot.
For sure.
Yeah, we are here struggling and hustling.
For sure, man.
Yeah.
All right, let me go to the gas station.
Okay.
Then we see how stuffs are going.
Okay.
Okay, man. Yeah, so guys, that was this guy called Emmanuel's farm. Yeah. So I want to see something around here. Have some gas road. Tarmac road. Wanna add some gas. Then we start the journey from here. You know, all the way. With no hurry. And this place of ours, guys, there's what you call like trucks from different countries, also Rwanda. I don't know what they always carry, maybe coal, but they have anchored here for long. They carry goods from different countries and then they anchor here for a short time, and then they proceed somewhere else. Right, let's have gas and then we see what's going on around. Alright. Yeah, now there's the fuel. Now it's time to go back. Let's head to Bomet right now from home. Slowly, no hurry. Pole. You'll be enjoying some spectacular views from this end. Kisii. This is another place called Nyangena area. You know, it has been, let me say, like tiresome, but not really that much tiresome. Because driving from this place, from home, all the way to this end, see we are in a few kilometers to Bomet. So definitely just enjoy amazing views around this place. I really love this road starting from this point, you know, Etirio, you know, that's a maternity home, a nursing home. I definitely love this place, this road, well maintained, well marked, and also it has the street lights, you know. At night here when you pass here, oh, you feel like you're in London, man. Very awesome, very great and amazing, you know. You just see all away. Oh, great, amazing Kisii. We are definitely approaching Kisii Town. You know, there's a roundabout. Road is clear. Today being a Saturday, it really shows you amazing time, amazing beautiful places around, you know. You have no idea, guys, how it's amazing to cruise around here. It's really great to cruise. Interior, an amazing place. Interior, yo man. Very great. Look at that, guys. Very great, amazing. This place is well maintained. Look at that, very straight. Roads in Namibia are just like this, straight, no bumps, man. Look at the view from the other side. Very amazing, very amazing. That's Kisii from this end. Kisii is maintained. Kisii is a town that is built in a hill, or on a hill, yeah, let's say on a hill. Kisii itself is a highland area, you know, so which is a favorite climate for agriculture. They also grow tea. They grow matoke. You know, a lot of veggies comes from this place. Comes from this place. The Matoke area, Kisii. Oh, that's a banana. You know? A lot of vegetables comes from this place. A lot. You know? They really come from this place all the way to the city also. You know? Nice. Another great place there. The roundabout to Ahero, to Kisumu. Roundabout to Ahero to Kisumu. Just along here. Russia. This is how you see it. Very well and nice. Great roads. great infrastructure. That favors agriculture. Good roads. Good favors the growth of towns. Good infrastructure. Number one, roads. Good network system. Manpower. Availability of energy. Both solar. I used to be one of the best historian guy, man. Can go back to school. And become a teacher. Now we are approaching Kisii B3. The A1 heads to Kisii. This is a roundabout that we have here. On B3, Kisii. Let's maintain this one. This one heads this way. Oh, that is us heading. Alright guys, now we are approaching Kisii Town. We are in Kisii, the downtown. This is the downtown, you know. This is the downtown Kisii. Approaching the city center. Kisii. Isn't that Bentley? Hey. It's crazy. Today being a Saturday, we are expecting maybe for it to be cool. But fully. Boda boo, come to Kisii, our little Uganda. Huh? We have our small Kampala here. Sebo Nyabu. This is our small Kampala. Place. Kisii itself. Alright guys. This is how you see. This is Kisii. We have just we're from Kisii Town itself. On this polytechnic called Kisii Polytechnic. Let's move. Let's see. What's up? That's how you see things and more. Alright. Hey guys, I just arrived at this place called Tenwick Mission Hospital. So I'm literally waiting for Chacha Tails and Daoud to arrive so that we can move on and proceed to back home with good news. So our machine, it has really tried. Here comes the boy. Hey, young man.
How are you?
I'm good, bro.
You're good.
Yes.
How is everything?
Everything is okay?
Yeah, bro, I'm waiting for you back.
Yeah, man, the mate was like, no, you gave me wrong timing. You told me you're not coming, again you told me you come, so I had to do some schedule again.
Oh, you had those.
Also had to inquire for a car because the other car it had gone somewhere.
You know, I've waited until
and also the car was very dirty. I had to wash it so that I can come here.
No, I waited for you and I said,
Then you should sleep again.
I could just wait for the room.
No.
Yeah, so when Chacha, I think he's down there. Maybe we'll go.
He's having some, he's going around.
Yeah, he was just around. Maybe we'll go with him. Yes. Then we come, we go.
Yes, Chacha loves to walk around.
Yeah.
Anyway, guys, what's up? My good name is Claude. Subscribe to the channel that is Robbie David.
Yeah.
We are here and we have good news. Also, here Robbie David is, man.
Yeah, guys, I'm Robbie David.
Yes.
We've been here since Tuesday.
Yes.
Until today is Saturday.
Yeah.
It has been a good time.
Yeah.
But you wanna leave. This place is cold.
It's cool, man. Even you have changed. Your face has
See
changed.
my face, like,
It's like cracking.
Yeah. It's like aloe vera. It's when aloe vera dries.
Yes. But anyway, guys,
the climate to me have been harsh.
It has been harsh over here.
Yeah.
That's what we call climate change. Yeah.
But it's good also to move.
For sure.
I just realized for someone like you that you've been traveling. You've been encountering a lot of.
I understand. For here, you have to be buying. You don't have to drink the exact water here. No. You have to buy water. Yeah.
Water, but a lot of things.
Absolutely, guys. Let's wait and see what's going on around. Okay. All right. Wow, pole, guys. That's the big hospital by its name, Tenwick. That's the hospital that everyone has been looking for. Like, wait, I'm gonna break it for the folder. Tenwick. These are cardio. Thoracic.
That we googled.
Yes.
It is the biggest cardiac hospital in sub-Sahara Africa.
Yeah. You know, when you see cardiothoracic, hey, it's not a joke, guys. You can see how it is. It's a very big hospital. Cardiothoracic. It's not a joke. It's a very big, all the way down. Cardiothoracic. Tenwick. Hey. Go. Yeah, the biggest hospital here in Tenwick. Actually, it's in East Africa, I can say, because the biggest cardiothoracic center.
This hospital.
Yeah.
It is really coming up. This is a project of 2019, I think.
Yeah, but it's not a joke here. Look, even the gates, and this is just the entrance.
See how it's developing here.
You'll think it's an estate.
Oh my God, you see now the problem.
Everybody
challenges encountering drivers.
But that's the good thing. You know, these people from this place.
This is what
they have.
They do.
You'll never see a kienyeji cow. Just only this one.
Can a kienyeji survive this place?
Yes, it survived. It can survive. It's only that this place is on highlands. On islands, and islands are also do what you call, like, it favors, it's evergreen, you know.
Yeah,
it's evergreen, so it favors food for these animals and anyone who is around, guys. So we'll be going back home in a few. We will see how everything will be going on the phone. See you guys.
So guys, we are here. We are heading now to Nyabohansi.
Back home to Nyabohansi, guys.
Yeah, we've just do what?
I just came back and picked them from Tenwick. How was Tenwick, bro? You know, people you have stayed here maybe like
how many 4 days? We've slept for 4 nights here. Yeah. But it has been actually a good place. Like, it even makes you to feel like traveling. It's just something that you should do.
Oh wow, man.
Even this guy, you see how he's relaxed now.
He's relaxed.
There.
Chacha, how is life? Akona headphone kwa masikio asikie.
How is Tenwick Bomet?
Yeah?
This guy is not normal. You have to understand him. He's not normal.
What's up, guys? No, don't say that. What's up, guys? My name is Chaka Wells. Welcome to CJ.
Yes.
Claude Joseph YouTube channel.
Yes.
So again, CJ came through for us today.
Yeah.
We are out of the hospital and we are very happy, guys. We have positive results. We did the tests and now we are going back home.
Yeah.
So kindly watch CJ and subscribe to him and also enjoy this amazing vlog.
Yeah.
So thank you so much. I go by the name Chacha Tells on YouTube. You can also go check me out, subscribe. I do vlogs and I'm trying it's possible also to change my story.
Yeah.
So you can go support me, guys. So thank you so much and enjoy this amazing vlog.
Absolutely. I have some few questions for you, Chacha.
Okay, see.
How was this place Tenwick for you? Like,
Generally.
generally, yeah.
Nice one. This place was nice for me. No, me, I've been in the village, I don't know, for 10 months. Hey, I was happy.
So you are very happy
I
to
was enjoying going to fresh haircut, massage.
Oh wow.
Waterfall.
Like the waterfall, like a city boy.
Wow, man.
Yeah, it was enjoyable, guys. And also this place, the weather is soft. It's colder compared to our place.
Yeah.
But also the people here are very friendly.
Oh wow.
Friendly.
No mukuriore.
And also life is not very expensive. Like food is not very expensive.
Yeah.
It's a nice place to be. And of course we have some colleges here. We have some young bloods here that you can even vibe with when you are doing videos.
Oh wow.
Compared to the village, you know, in the village we don't have any college, any institution.
Yeah,
so most of the time we just vibe with local
people. Sometimes they don't understand English.
And sometimes they can beat you with your cameras. But here at least they understand.
Yeah.
So guys, I really appreciate. So we are on our way home now.
Yeah, we're on our way home, guys. You can show them the view.
Yeah, actually this is the place that you see, guys, the beautiful land of Kalenjin.
Yeah.
Bomet County.
The Great Rift Valley.
Here they say Mwejeje. Not Mwejeje. And their road has some a lot of them. But I can see they're trying to refill them. To fill them with something.
They are trying to mend them again.
So 3 hours from here, from now, we'll be in Migori, in our homeland, guys. You know, even here how we operate, it's different.
Yeah.
There is that courage that you always have, even facing someone.
Yeah.
You know, someone here can decide to do what? Kuchokoza.
Yeah.
And you can do like, okay, it's not that you can not do anything about it, but you play cool. Yeah, compared to Nyabohanse. But it has been such a good place. Yeah, and me, I've enjoyed also. It has been just a pleasure. And this is a Subaru.
Yeah, that's a Subaru.
Okay, guys, so stay tuned. From Bomet will be at is it Nyamira? Kisii Keroka.
Keroka. Then Kisii, no, Keroka, Keumbu, then Kisii.
Then Rongo, Awendo, Uriri, Migori, Mabera, Nyabohanse. Okay, so stay tuned, guys.
Alright, see you.
So guys, this is the time we just arrived here in Kisii, and I don't think if I'll make it home with this vlog, so I want to end this vlog over here. Definitely we are around here. This is the best place actually in Kisii. We just arrived now. I'm here with the big man himself.
Guys, I'm here.
Yeah,
The VIP.
the VIP.
Yeah, so we are at Kisii.
Yeah,
It has been something like 2 hours.
2 hours. Yeah,
2 hours.
so we had to have a halt, a little break,
Yeah.
so that we can leave even the engine to cool a little bit. Yeah, come on, man. Yeah. Infinite athletic. All right, yeah, like
So, like a little break.
yeah,
Then we continue with our journey.
for sure.
And it's just around 1 hour 30 minutes.
Yeah, for sure,
We'll be
man.
at home. So
We'll be
it
at
will-
home.
at
Just
around-
1 hour. Let's
at
say
around
1 hour.
8, I'll be under my home. And
Your
my
home, your home, under your roof.
Yeah.
Yeah, anyway, guys, that's very much great, amazing. I'm so much grateful. And thank you, man, for recommending me as a chauffeur. Yeah, sometimes when you recommend me as a chauffeur, I really feel very much okay, man. Sometimes, you know, it's good. I don't go in the family 0-0. Yeah. I get
But
something. Yeah, for sure.
You
Man.
can tell family directly.
Yeah.
To avoid a problem.
Yeah.
It's better you like you know fueling.
Fueling,
Just
yeah.
fuel this car.
Yeah, for sure.
Somehow expensive. More than that, you can come with a public vehicle.
Public vehicle.
So,
But it's good so you arrive safety,
Yeah.
and also vlogging. You know, sometimes when you'll be using public, you want to vlog freely because everyone is like, no, don't point me a camera. Yeah.
also people are so rough. So
Yeah,
at
for
this
sure.
one we make story. Like
You
even
can-
coming from Bomet to Kisii,
Yeah.
we just find ourselves.
Yeah, you can say like, let us stop somewhere. We do a
Yeah.
vlog.
Stop here, I want to buy that mahindi.
Yeah,
And we stop.
Yeah,
So
but-
that is that. But like right now, Church has gone to the latrine.
yeah.
So we stop and we
In
have
public,
no
you
problem.
can't say, I want to go here. Hey, time.
Boss, don't stop here. We don't stop here.
Hey, we don't
So
stop.
that is the problem. But it's so good.
Yeah,
Like me always think of CJ when it comes to such things.
yeah,
But unless he is busy and I can't manage.
yeah, man.
But I know he can link me with someone.
For sure, man.
So Bomet has been so nice and
Yeah.
can't wait now to be in the village. I've missed my village.
Yeah, for sure, man.
I
Yeah,
really
yeah.
missed my village. So that is it, guys.
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah. So you can check me out
Yes.
at It's Robbie David.
It's Robbie David. Show them your channel.
Show you guys.
Show them if you have data. Should I hotspot you?
No, I have.
The hotspot. Should I hotspot?
It is what it is.
Yeah. Let me show you his channel, guys. And the name Robbie David. Yeah. Yeah, it's Robbie.
Robbie David,
David.
guys.
Please subscribe there, guys. Show some love.
Rolling.
He's a really good brother. You know, he has really taken good care of Chacha Takes. Which I was very much grateful for that. And may Almighty God keep on blessing me for that. So, yeah. So guys, thank you so much for watching this vlog to the end. I really appreciate your love and support. Let's all have brothers like it's Robbie David here, and all will be much okay. So good for a brother to be a brother to a brother, you know, which is very much okay. Be blessed all. Thank you. Subscribe if you're new. Show some love, and bye bye from this amazing Kisii. Bye.